Hello people, how are you doing? This is Kedarnath GM. Welcome to Shake It Workshops. Shake it till you make it. So why are we here? What is Shake It till you make it? So this is all about shaking your employees to the core and getting them to do what they are best in doing, and how I am doing that and why I should be doing this. So a little story here. I went around the world on my motorbike for the past 6 years. Lot of learnings, a lot of experiences, lot of ups and downs. And when I summarize all of these experiences and categorize them in a box, okay, I come from an engineering background, I know how to do that analysis. And the last project which I did before quitting my job and getting onto this was a business analytics for the big steel industry, integrated steel industry. So my data analytics made me look at the different data points what I collected during my 6 years of travel, and all of this came together, and I collected all of this and put together this corporate workshop series. And what it actually does is it helps your employees to go and get that job done. And how? By focusing on what they are good at, by learning to break through barriers, and by learning how to adapt quickly, how to take quick decisions, what is the need of the hour, what do they want and what do they need. The difference between want and need, that's very important. And then, of course, there is a big interaction of the skills as such and parts and insecurities. I put together a tool, which is called the curated. And then there is the bigger aspect of it, like, how people want to retire. It's because a lot of people struggle with this. There's this after 40 kind of syndrome. So I'm going to talk about all of this. So each workshop is for 2 to 3 hours, with a lot of one-on-one interactions, games, and how it's all DIY. It's all doing by learning by doing, because that's how I learn on the motorbike. It's real. Everything is real, and you learn by real experiences. That's what I bring in to the classroom, to these sections, to these workshops. So, when do we start?